This short video introduces Remtech's Frac Tank magnetic aeration system. Remtech's Frac Tank magnetic aeration systems, or Frac Air, can be used to convert standard 21,000-gallon rented frac tanks into economical temporary treatment systems for dewatering, equalization, clarification, sedimentation, coagulation, activated sludge, air stripping, or oil flotation and removal. A single 8.4 horsepower two-stage regenerative blower supplies enough air for 2 frac tanks. Other frac tank mixing systems have up to 4 10 horsepower mixers per tank. Frac Air reduces power requirements by 80% per tank. Remtech's magnetic aeration system can be constructed of corrosion-proof materials or for standard wastewater with a pH between 6 and 9. Remtech's Frac Air is designed to fit through a standard 20-inch manhole in 21,000-gallon tanks and is installed in less than 1 hour. Air can be supplied by a 2-stage regenerative blower, rotary lobe blower, a standard tow behind 185 CFM compressor, or plant air. The anti-siphon cage has adjustable feet for leveling and to clear frac tank ribbing. Supply air passes through a 2-inch 36-foot-long, 212 degrees Fahrenheit hose secured to the tank bottom with 80-pound magnets. 6 cross diffuser clusters are spaced 6 feet apart, with 4 5-inch diffusers, providing a total of 24 diffusers per tank. Each diffuser cluster is anchored with magnets that connect to the manifold trunk with 3-foot branch hoses. Branch hoses are connected with Chicago or Universal Quick Connects. Magnets swivel to anchor to irregular tank bottoms. Diffusers are spaced 6 inches from the bottom to provide a sludge storage zone. Increased sludge storage zones are also available. Sludge is removed by vacuum truck. Membrane disc diffusers are designed for municipal, commercial, and residential aeration systems. These discs are economical and easy to replace. Disc diffusers are available with fine, medium, or coarse bubble sizes. Compared to traditional stone diffusers, unintended backflow of water into airlines and diffuser fouling are reduced by 73%. Coarse and medium disc bubble diffusers are selected when mixing and equalization is required. Larger bubble sizes are effective in suspending solids, agitating dense material, and maintaining a homogeneous mixture. Fine bubble disc diffusers constructed of EPDM and silicone membranes are selected when smaller bubble sizes produce a high oxygen transfer rate. This applies to biological treatment processes such as activated sludge. 40-micron diffusers that produce bubble sizes in the range of dissolved air flotation that typically range from 10 to 100 microns are also available. Remtech's magnetic aeration system can be configured to fit in any steel tank with a flat bottom and 20-inch or larger manhole. An example for a 50,000-gallon temporary aeration tank is presented here. Process piping is constructed of Schedule 80 PVC with ball control valves. Remtech can provide pumps and associated control systems for wastewater processing. Unistrut ground and tank supports facilitate rapid installation of tank connections. Frac tank options include wastewater transfer pumps, sight glasses, high-level alarms, gravity overflow lines to multiple frac tanks, multiple tank connection manifold with tank isolation valves and air purging port, 2-stage regenerative blowers, oil-water separators, aluminum sulfate or coagulant feed, and pH adjustment systems. Remtech mobile treatment systems may be purchased or rented and configured to meet your temporary treatment needs. Systems can be pre-configured and delivered to your work site or can be self-installed with detailed instructions. Remtech provides operator training or turnkey operation. Separate or combined unit operations may be selected. System configuration options include wastewater transfer pumps, sedimentation, aeration, oil-water separation, chemical coagulation, clarification, and tertiary treatment including sand and granular carbon filtration. For more information, visit Remtech's website remtech-eng.com and click on Store and select Mobile Wastewater Treatment and subcategory Frac Tank Magnetic Aeration. Complete the temporary treatment information e-form or contact Remtech directly by calling 800-377-3648 extension 204.